going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. In this short video, we're going to take a dive into the custom paint job I did on this Harley Davidson. Now, this Harley Davidson was a unique paint job because when the customer came in, he was not from the area and he actually only found me through Google. So it was a pretty cool, humbling experience to meet someone that was not from the area or from the state for that matter, and brought me a project. So that was a pretty fun experience. But let's dive into the project. He brought the Harley in. He had an idea in mind, some design he wanted, a stripe he wanted, and I helped him make it come to life. Now, when this project came in, the customer had a brand new custom tank built. So originally he brought in just the tank and that center piece that goes across the tank. So when those came in, I shot them with epoxy first before I began any body work. I wanted to make sure I protected that bare steel. Once the body work was complete, it was time to get the bike painted and ready for the stripe process. Now, I did go with the original OEM Vivid Black paint coat from Harley Davidson just to give the entire bike a fresh new black paint job that would match to the front. Now, after that paint was allowed to dry, it was time to start laying down the masking tape for the stripes. I went ahead and started laying the stripes on both sides, got them masked up and ready for the first coat of base. Now, when I went with the base, I went with the silver base coat first, just a full coat of silver across the whole stripe. And then I went in there and masked the inner stripe where I was going to use the black to bevel the edge of that stripe, give it like a soft shadow on the outer stripes. But this is it, guys. This is the final product. Overall, I was super pleased with the project, guys. The customer was super pleased with it. Very fun project to do. I really hope to get into more motorcycles in the future. It was super fun to do and can't wait to do another one. So if you guys tune in to the very end, I appreciate you. Hit that like button for me. Drop a comment down below. Share this video with your friends. And as always, guys, see you on the next one. Later.